Welcome all, my dear friends. Let us continue our journey in the world of IPR by a series of question sets of the Patents Act 1970 and the Patents Rules 2003. Questions only can give us freedom from our mental cages. So, never stop questioning. Okay, so with this beautiful thought, let us continue our journey in the question series. Today we will discuss question set 6. Another beautiful thought, friends. What if questions make you think? That means if a question compels you to think for its reasoning, then the question has some weight. Okay. So with this beautiful thought, let us proceed to our question set and start with our question number 1. Question number 1. Specifications is the title for which rule of the Patents Rule 2003? Specifications is the title for which rule of the Patents Rules 2003? Answer is Rule 13. So, please refer Rule 13 of the Patents Rules 2003. And friends, also I have picked up the slide from my first lecture. Actually, the respective slide which links with or which establishes a relationship between Form 4, Sections 53, 142 and Rules 13, 24B, 80 and 130. Okay. So, you can just, this is given just to refresh our memory. Okay. So that whenever Form 4 is whenever Form 4 comes to picture, we can very well remember sections 53, 142 and rules 13, 24B, 80 and 130. Fine. Question number 2. A specification with respect to a divisional application is dealt in which rule of the Patents Rules 2003? Okay. So here, friends, our key point is divisional application. Okay, so we can very well remember which section is depicted for or which section deals with divisional application. We can remember that section 16 of the Patents Act 1970 deals with divisional application. Okay, and where it is written, that means the question is this divisional application is dealt in which rule? So that's why we can answer very well that Rule 13 sub Rule 2. Okay. So for this, please refer Rule 13 of the Patents Rules 2003 and refer Section 16 of the Patents Act 1970. Fine. So now I hope it is clear and you can very well remember the answer. Okay. Question number 3. Where the invention requires explanation through drawings, such drawings shall be prepared as per the provisions of which rule? Okay. Though now we are dealing with Rule 13, but still for the particulars such as drawings, which rule is, or we can say which rule is concerned. Okay. So for this the answer is rule number 15. Okay. And for this, please refer Rule 13 sub Rule 4 of the Patents Rules 2003 where it is mentioned. And what is Rule 15? Rule 15 is, or the title of Rule 15 is drawings. So you can refer both. Fine. Question number 4. In case of a complete specification, if the applicant desires to adopt the drawings filed with the provisional specification as the drawings or part of the drawings for the complete specification, it shall be sufficient to refer to them in the complete specification as those left or filed with the provisional specification. Okay, that means don't have to repeat. If it is already mentioned in the provisional specification, then just a reference is needed in the complete specification. Fine. So the statement is this. My question is it true? Yes, it is very much true. And for the truth of this statement, please refer Rule 13 sub Rule 4 of the Patents Rules 2003. Okay, and as it deals with drawings, what is drawings are linked with rule 15. That means the title of rule 15 is drawings. That's why it is mentioned here, nothing else. Fine. Question number 5. As per the controller, irrelevant matters for the elucidation of the invention shall be excluded from the title, claims, description and drawings. Is it true? Yes, it is very much true, and for the truth of this statement, please refer Rule 13, Sub-Rule 5 of the Patents Rules 2003. Okay, you can just underline this 4. Title, claims, description and drawings. Fine. Okay. Next we'll proceed to question number 6. Examination of application is the title for which rule of the Patents Rules 2003? Answer is Rule 24B. Okay. So for please refer Rule 24B of the Patents Rules 2003. Also you can refresh your memory by this slide that was given in my first lecture as well. Okay, so here the form consent form is form 4, request for extension of time. The consent sections are 53 and 142 and the consent rules are 13, 24B, 80 and 130. Fine. Okay. Question number 7. A request for examination under section 11A shall be made in form 18 within 48 months from the date of priority of the application or from the date of filing of the application, whichever is earlier. Is it true? So friends, as I have always said that while dealing with a statement, please try to pick the keywords. Okay, the key points. As in this statement we can say the key points can be section 11A, form 18, 48 months from the date of priority, date of filing, etc. etc. Fine. So here as we know that section 11A deals with publication of applications. Okay, and here the statement is about request for examination. That's why the key point here is section 11A and it is wrong. Rest all are fine. Fine. So we can answer this like no, this is not true, it is false. Fine. So for this statement, please refer Rule 24B Sub-Rule 1 Clause 1 of the Patents Rules 2003. Okay. And section 11B is request for examination. Section 11A is publication of applications. And form 18 is request or express request for examination of application for patent. These are the consent, we can say, sections and form. Fine. Okay. Okay. Question number 8 says the period within which the controller shall dispose of the report of the examiner shall ordinarily be 3 months from the date of the receipt of the such report by the controller. Okay, so please go through the statement again and you can find out the key point here. Okay, so what is the key point? The key point here is 3 months. 3 months from the date of the receipt. So, and what I have answered here? I have answered here no. That means this statement is not true. This is false. Okay. Because we have the question like this, the period within which the controller shall dispose of the report of the examiner shall ordinarily be 3 months from the date of the receipt of the such report by the controller. Is it true? The answer will be no, it is false. So for this, please refer Rule 24B 2, that means Sub-Rule 2 and Clause 3. Okay, so what it says? Rule 24B, Sub-Rule 2, Clause 3 of the Patents Rules 2003 says the period within which the controller shall dispose of the report of the examiner shall ordinarily be 1 month from the date of the receipt of the such report by the controller. That means 1 month will be the correct answer, and that's why here This should be the correct one. Should be, we can write like this. It should be one month. Okay, and just write, and briefly we can write like this, 1 month. Fine. So the actual answer or the correct answer will be 1 month. That's why this statement is false. Fine. Okay. Question number 9. The period within which the examiner shall make the report under subsection 2 of section 12 shall ordinarily be 1 month, but not exceeding 3 months from the date of reference of the application to him by the controller. Is it true? Now again we can find out the key points here. 1 month is there, 3 months is there. Fine. So as we know that this statement is true as per the times. Okay, so yes, the answer is it is true. So for this, or to verify the truth of this statement, please refer rule 24b sub rule 2 clause 2 of the patents rules 2003. Okay, and what is section 12? Section 12 is examination of application. Fine, I hope it is clear now. Next, question number 10. The time for putting an application in order for grant under section 21 shall be 6 months from the date on which the first statement of objections is issued to the applicant to comply with the requirements. Is it true? Okay, and here we'll find out the key points. This can be this. One is already underlined and one is the first statement of objections. Fine. So the statement is very much true, and so the answer will be yes, it is true. And for to verify the truth of this statement, please refer rule 24b sub rule 5 of the patents rules 2003. Okay, and what is section 21? Section 21 is time for putting application in order for grant. Okay, again I am reading the statement, friends, for your convenience. The time for putting an application in order for grant under section 21 shall be 6 months from the date on which the first statement of objections is issued to the applicant to comply with the requirements. That means a time period of 6 months are given to handle the objections. Fine. Is it true? Yes, it is true. Okay, friends. So this way 10 questions of this question set are completed. Please go through all the questions. Fine. The reference is the Patents Act 1970 as amended by Amendment Act 2005 and the Patents Rules 2003 as amended by Amendment Rules 2021. Okay friends, thank you so much for listening to me and thank you so much for watching my video. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please put down your queries, your compliments and comments in my comment box. Thank you so much for watching this. Stay safe, stay blessed, stay healthy. God bless you. Jai Hind.